Hello students. So today we will continue our self practice 10B. Now in this lesson we will study about the exterior angle. Exterior angle. See what is exterior angle? So exterior angle of a triangle. Suppose there is one triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. So if we extend one side of a triangle, suppose we are extending BC, we are extending this side BC till D. So the angle made between the extended side and the adjacent side, that is called the exterior angle. So this is the exterior angle. So angle ACD, this is the exterior angle, and this exterior angle is always equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Means its interior is this, and its interior opposite, two angles are there opposite to this interior angle. This is the exterior angle at C, and the interior angle at C is what? This angle. This is the interior angle. So this exterior angle is equal to the sum of these interiors, its sum of its interiors opposite angles. So these two angles. Suppose this angle is x and this angle is y. So this exterior angle will be x plus y. So this exterior angle will be x plus y. That is called the exterior angle. Now, how you write exterior angle? ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. Exterior angle ACD is equals to angle A plus angle B. So exterior angle is always equals to, so what you write, exterior angle is always equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Its interior opposite angles. So in this exercise of practice 10B, we are going to use this property of the triangle, that is exterior angle property of a triangle. So the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its interior opposite angles. So see the first question of 10B. Here now there is a triangle ABC and we have to name the interior opposite angles in the figure associated with the exterior angle. Okay, so there is a triangle so this is a T, this is P, this is C, this is S, this is U, this is B, and this is A. ABC is a triangle and this is the extended side R and Q. So in this question 1A, name the interior opposite angles in the figure associated with the exterior angle. So angle ACS. Angle ACS is given. So what are the interior opposite angles for the angle ACS? ACS, this is exterior angle. So this exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle is what? Angle A and B. So what we can write in this? Angle A plus B. So you write angle ACS is equals to sum of angle A plus angle B. So this exterior angle is equals to the sum of these two interior opposite angle. Now the B1 exterior angle RBA, angle RBA, exterior angle RBA. This is the exterior angle. The discussion of this exterior angle, and this exterior angle opposite interior are A and C. So equals to angle A plus C. Similarly, C you can angle TAB. Angle TAB is equals to see TAB. This exterior angle discussion. So its interior opposite is what? This two. Its interior and opposite is B and C. So what you write? Angle B plus angle C. Similarly, D angle QBC. Exterior angle QBC. See the QBC, that exterior angle. And this exterior's interior opposite is this interior opposite is angle A plus C. So angle A plus angle C. So this exterior angles interior opposites are A and C. Now for the EPAC. See angle PAC, that is the exterior. So this exterior's interior opposite are angle B and C. This is exterior and its opposite angle is B and C. So angle B plus angle C you can write. Now for the F you can see angle BCU. Angle BCU, that is the BCU, that is the exterior angle. So this exterior's angle's interior and its interior's opposite is A and B. So angle A plus angle B. So all these are the answers for this one. Now we move to the next question, number 2. All these are the interior's opposite angles of the given exterior angle. Now we move to the next question, number 2. Now see the question number 2, find the unknown mark angle. Question number 2a, find the unknown mark angle. So in this figure you can see that angle 67 degree, that angle 38 degree, and this is the exterior angle 8 degree. So you have to find in this angle A. Now angle A is the exterior, so what you write? Angle A is equals to sum of its interior opposite is given, that is 38 plus 67 degree. Property exterior angle. Property what you write? Exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of its interior opposite angle. Sum of its interior opposite angles. So that is angle A equals to what? 8, 7, 15, 5 carry 1, 7, 3, 10, 105 degree. So the measurement of angle A will be what? 105 degree. Similarly, you can do the question number B. See how? In the question number B, there is a triangle. And that exterior angle given, this is the exterior angle 119 degree. Now its interior opposite angles are given, one is 46 degree and the other is B. Similarly in this also, the sum of its two interior opposite, exterior angle is equal to sum of its two interior opposite. So what you write? B plus 46 is equals to 119. 90. Now see the exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. So the B will be 119 minus 46. So the B is equals to 9 minus 6 give you 3, 11 minus 4 give you 7. That is the 73 degree. So what you get? 73 degree. Okay. So now C and D I am leaving the homework for you. Now we will solve question number 3. See in the question number 3, there is a triangle PQR. PQR, and this is the extended side S. Now this exterior angle given 130 degree and angle P is given, and that angle P is given 5x minus 2 degree, and that angle R given 4x plus 15 degree. Okay, so in this you have to find angle R. Find angle R. Now angle R we have to find. In this is the exterior angle, so we apply the exterior angle property. Angle PQS is equals to sum of its interior opposite angle, that is angle P plus angle R. Now see, we substitute the value of the given angle. Angle PQS is 130 degree. Angle P value is 5x minus 2 plus angle R value 4x plus 15 degree. That two measurements is given. Now we solve. 5x plus 4x gives you what? 5x plus 4x gives you 9x, minus 2 plus 15 gives you plus 13. Now transpose this to the left hand side. 130 degree minus 13 equals to 9x. Now 113 minus 13 gives you 117 degree is equals to 9x. Now x is equals to 117 divided by 9. So when we transpose this 9, it will divide the 117 left hand side term. So see what you will get. 9 ones are 9, 27 and 3 is 27. That is x is equals to 13. So what we got the value of the x? 13. But we have to find the angle R. Now see what is the angle R. Now as we know, angle R is equals to 4x plus 15. So substitute the value of x. 4 into value of x we got 13. So 13 4s are 52 plus 15. So when you add it, what you get? 52 plus 10, 62, 67. So the measurement of angle R is 67 degree. Okay. So this is all for the today, students. So in the next class we will continue the remaining question of self practice 10b. Thank you for your kind attention.